of Manila. For the dancers, just a question. I know you practice 8 hours every day. So how do you prepare emotionally, mentally, so physically? So just wanted to know your thoughts kung kahit sino pa mo. Your peers.
Sa akin, lalo nga, physically demanding siya. It's kind of a lifestyle. So parang araw-araw ko siyang iisipin. So parang yung lifestyle ko mismo is pagiging dance. So dun ko siya parang pinupunta yung mindset ko lang. Yun yung sa akin.
For the emotional and mental side, to be honest, I don't think there are times where we can't be prepared and there are times where we're not prepared. That's just how the field is. It's very unpredictable. So I guess you can only arm yourself with focus in the sense that if you know where you are, it's just mentally knowing where you are at this point in your dancing life. So just that, also that openness to take it in, whether it's good or bad.
Hi, good evening. Yeah, good afternoon po. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the eldest of the tribe. So, pinalalakihan ko sila sa akin. And they're expecting me to lock. Okay. Hindi na ako. And then, I think, ako personally, I think I draw from the experiences I have outside more than what I have inside. I mean, syempre we work with technique, and which is our tool for dancing inside. Pero if it's delivery of the story, it's maybe from what I experienced in the past, interactions with people, mas ganun. So that's why I value interactions outside. I mean, sinasabi ako din sila na kailangan experience ng maraming bagay because that's what we bring to on stage. So our personalities have that flavor because of our experiences. I think that's how I personally prepare. And then I think it's having a clear message of each dance. Kailangan malinaw sa akin kung ano yung sinasabi ko para kaya ko siyang sabihin through dance. I think.